Hi everyone, so today we are going to harvest some of the strawberries that we have here. As you can see, there's so many berries that are ripe and ready to be picked. So this is the strawberry bed, and then I have another one over here. As you can see, there is so many ripe strawberries in there too. So what we did is we decided to add a net to protect the berries from birds, because soon the blueberries are ready to be picked as well, and we want to enjoy the berries that we have planted in here in the small backyard garden. And I just want to show you as well the other bed that we have. So over here, that's all strawberries. And what we did is we made this cage made out of net from Canadian Tire and just assemble it, so it is protected as well from birds and other animals that would love to eat our berries as well. So we're going to harvest it now because there's so many berries that are ready to be picked. All right. Over here, look, oh my, oh, there's another one right here. Look at that, there's more right here. My goodness, there's so many ripe strawberries in here. Oh, oh, this one get strangled. It's not ready. Come on. side right here. So the net that we put in here, it is very easy to open and accessible. So we put a pin, and then there is a wire right here. Oh, another pin, and there we go. We can harvest some berries. Oops. Okay, so now when I'm done, I just put the pin back. Now we'll go to the other side. Oh wow, look at this. Oops. So this is just the first harvest of my strawberries, and there's many more. This is very tasty and sweet. The good thing with this is I use organic fertilizer, which is the eggshells, the scraps from the kitchen, the banana peels, and it makes it so delicious. I'm going to try one right now. That is so good and sweet. You see? Very huge. So I think I'm going to make some smoothie as well. Alright. Oops, some mosquitoes going to my face. Hey! Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!